Next week will be a big ass week because I have Batman.
Oh my god.
Oh, dude. Oh.
Like everyone else, you stop! I will break your window.
Say cheese!
I will break your mirror. I will f you up. All you need to do is stop. Okay? So you sit here. I know, but I'm the rear guard.
Can you call 911?
Go ahead.
I'm just gonna record. I'm not involved.
Well, how do I get your number?
Go ahead. So last year, one of you ran over one of the kids. Yeah?
Don't drive in the middle of the road.
We own the road now. This is our road now. Stop. You wait for us. You wait.
Shit, man.
Family feel it, kill everything that you love. You know how I would have did.
That Ukraine is completely good and Russia is completely evil, because that's what Democrats have been saying ever since Russia came. There's no room for any kind of... The official Democrat Party line is that we have to fight Russia overseas using Ukraine as a proxy, or else we'll have to fight Russia on the streets in this country as if they're going to invade the United States.
Oh my. You gotta turn in the right lane, man.
Alright, he's going in first. Back up. He's going back. He's going to be going northbound.
Northbound on Arlington?
Right on Arlington. Green light Arlington. Exiting for State Route 46. For State Route 46.
Please remain on the line.
Oh no, a little bit. About 95, still left lane.
crazy. Go ahead.
Answer with precision, while preserving. Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Nora Rahm.